What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. They call me H. We are live. It is Wednesday, April 29th, second to last day of the month. I am glad to be here as always. Please hit that like button for me, guys, on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. What's going on? Kind of another quiet morning on the scanners. But I got Teva, Teva. They I think they're actually on phase news. Oh no, it's earnings. Is it earnings? Yeah. Earnings. So that's good. I like the looking forward to things on the earnings play. Yeah, man. What up, Bobby? Gotta bounce back today. T-Boy, what's good, man? Yeah, man. Just gotta be patient. Appreciate it, man. Same to you. Coco not on my scanner. What's up, Pond? Coco. Oh, it's because it's not doing any volume. Yeah, gotta have some volume. I really want to take this with the 15-minute setup over the close. I'm so scary about that setup. The mug is fire though. That mug is fire though. But we can be patient. Yeah, right over 34 would have been the entry. Stop under 33.60. I'm gonna take it one day. Take it one day. Wave Rider. Hey, that's what's up. Man, you went deep red, Bobby. I should have taken it, bro. That 15-minute entry on the open is saucy, man. But I just feel more comfortable waiting for the open to shake and seeing what happens. Maybe I can do like half a R on that play until I feel confident in it. But it's totally fine to just wait. Totally fine. Yeah, I don't even see in pre-market pond, I'm looking at things with 250K volume or more and a 5% gap, which this definitely had the gap, but no volume, you know? And just really want to focus on the thing doing the most volume. I keep getting caught up on the woman in the red dress and looking away from the thing that had the most volume. Like yesterday, CNC had tremendous volume compared to the thing that I was trading, and look how well it did. Pretty sad. And even when I was about to take my second and third trade on what I traded yesterday, I looked at this and I was like, man, I probably should just wait for this to pull back. But I couldn't. I was already stuck looking for revenge. Looking for revenge. So, yeah. Shot myself on that one. But today is another day. That was yesterday. Today is today. And yeah, man. Let's see what it do. What a cold entry that would have been, though. Oh. Yeah, that's already 2R right there. I bet it goes up to PMH. SPY is having a morning, huh?
ETSY.
ETSY. Nice little gap there. What you got going on, Etsy? Earnings beat. Okay. Nice daily. 66.66, huh? Got some junk over here though. 72.73. That's a nice bump though. Yeah, that Tiva 15-minute, boy. I'm gonna catch that mug, bro. I was eyeballing it all pre-market too. It just didn't set up quite like I was expecting, but it needed to tap back down the VWAP and everything. Beautiful play. Beautiful play.
CNC.
CNC again, huh? Sheesh. That thing's way up there. Getting over here into this range. I'm cool though. That's too big of a second day. More likely to get slapped, I think. Oh. Oh. Man, what a play. 5 R's the goal. Sounds nice. Dang, this was really nice right here, actually. It's that old Durkio right there. Bruh. Yeah, I don't know about easy. Dang, bruh. It totally did what I expected it to do. That's all right, though. If it does good, we should get another setup somewhere. Boop, 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 boop. Stop the self-doubt. I ain't got too much to stand on, man, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, confidence would have got me in at 34. 40 cent stop. Up a dollar. $1.15. Level to level. Yeah, see, I don't have a historical record of being disciplined, so I gotta tread lightly. But the 15-minute out the open has been pretty consistent from my observations on the strong one. You get that pull back into the open. Nice little hammer to play off of there. Straight to the top. Slow morning, Joe. Look at that, man. That thing was beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely the one that needs the attention. Mm-mm-mm. Nice volume validating the move up. Looks really nice. Feet up at this point. Yeah, I seen they talking about SAGT in the Discord. Boom, boom. Morning knives. Let's see off a level here. Volume's whack though. We're not even gonna do that one. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. I was eyeballing this 15-minute setup out the open that I like to eyeball, but you know, trying to be patient, let things shake and take the easy money, so to speak. Yeah, no doubt. I was wilding looking back at yesterday's trades, it's pretty frustrating, man. It's pretty frustrating. Below VWAP, not a great catalyst, not a great ticker. Yeah, it was just like a lot of stuff that just really could have been avoided. But I took screenshots. I put them in a little folder, little morning review folder. Yeah, that part too. I gotta come in real strict after a no trade day for sure. Hey, that's all good. That's all you can do, OG. Yeah, live and learn. The thing that makes it super painful is just having to sit on the L till the next day, you know? That's the only thing. Like, it's like, all right, I see where I messed up. Like, let me get back in there. Put me back in the game, coach. And it's like, nope, you sitting on the bench till tomorrow. But it's good. It's good. I had 3 chances to get my act together. Man, this would be real cool to come back into like 34.75, 34.50.
EXTR.
Nice,
ETSY.
nice long low volume pullback. Reset that thing. and then blast off for the rest of the day up to 37. CNC's doing really good on the day.
EXTR.
EXTR. I need to adjust the volume on this because I don't want to hear nothing about nothing that ain't doing a million shares. What are we even talking about? Get that up out of here. Tiva is the clear stock in play. So it's nothing else to look at. $15 seconds left on this candle. I'm really liking the DOS update, man. It's pretty cool. It's very slight, but noticeable.
SLD.
SLDE. It's like a choppy mess. Come on, Tiva, bring it on back down. Bring it on back. Low is 35. It might just want to hold that joint. That's cool. What broker are you using, OG? For the no PDT? Etsy got a cool little bounce off this level going on. Trying to anyway. It had to bounce up and pull back again though for me to want to mess with it.
MDLZ.
Come on, Tiva, bring it on back. IBKR. They're gonna be commission free. Yeah, that's a nice bounce off that level on Etsy there. RR is not great, but you want direct access. Yeah, I heard that too. Shoot, I hope my brokers step up their game. Yeah. I got no love for C-Meg. Yeah. I got no love. They beat me up. It's a legit scam. Let's make our own broker. Oh man. It's like them those forex scammers getting their own prop firms. And then they always fold and take everybody's money. I think TJR did that.
EXTR.
What's that other dude? I can't remember what the other guy's name is, but they got a reputation of doing that. They be talking big stuff like, yeah, man, we're not like the other brokers. We're made by traders and for traders, by traders, all that stuff. Yoink. And they be like, I don't know what happened. It was out of my control. Stop decap. Ooh, yeah, look at that nice consolidation there. I'm probably not gonna see that again. About to run. Come on back down though. Come holla at your boy down here somewhere. Don't do it. Billy might get slapped, and then we'll get what we're looking for. It looks pretty nice though. I'm gonna hold you. Was that Billy getting slapped? Billy's getting slapped. Billy. Yeah, I'm definitely not buying it up there. Absolutely not. It's a trip though, because the scammers, once they get caught, they just rotate out the current subscribers, and then they just rotate in some new ones. Like all of them are still trading. All the ones that like Eman did exposés
MDLZ.
on, they're all still out here. They still doing their thing. Man, this thing looks super strong. It's about to go crazy. Yep.
RSI.
CNC is rolling. MDLZ, nice gap up there. Earnings last night. MDLZ, we'll put that one up. Yeah, it's consolidating from that big move up that I missed out at the open. Which I hope it drops down, man. That would be pretty sweet. Consolidation and a nice little spike down. Right back into VWAP. That'd be perfect. That would be perfect. Yeah, bring it on back. Bring it on back. Yep. I like I don't want to trade like,
VRNS.
yeah, I remember. I do want to start playing the 15, but I have my stock selection has to be on point. Like if I sit down and I got a FOMO mindset and I'm just looking to take a trade, it'll just be bad. I gotta really I gotta be locked in for real. So I'm just not. I need I need more proving to myself for real. VWAP is
SLD.
34.69. What do we get there? 34.82. Two minutes on this candle.
MDLZ. MDLZ. MDLZ.
Order filled.
MDLZ. MDLZ.
Turn this heater off.
ESI.
That sounds super loud.
MDLZ. MDLZ. VRNS.
Order filled.
I started to tuck that stop under this candle, but Figure if we're gonna take the scary entry, might as well get the type RR too. And C over here looking real interesting.
EXTR. EXTR. ETSY. EXTR. ETSY.
Hmm.
ETSY. ETSY. CSTM. EXTR.
Oh yeah, focus.
MDLZ.
Hmm, that's interesting. Big volume on such a narrow candle.
MDLZ.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it chill for a minute.
MDLZ. MDLZ.
Yep, straight up, Bobby. Say my last couple bullets of that A1.
MDLZ.
That. This actually, that's right in the middle of the range. Cool. Two. This is still the highest volume gapper.
MDLZ.
Calling it knives. What you do today? Hmm. Nice.
EXTR.
That hourly, that 30-minute candle on TV look crazy though.
VRNS. VRNS.
This guy right here. Almost took it over 33 down there, but it could do a little bit more to prove itself. Yeah, I'm chilling. Real move that happens after it shakes out though and then goes. But yeah, they are happening out the open. And it feels like forever waiting for these 5-minute plays to set up. There's a nice narrow range entry there. Nice volume on that candle too.
ETSY.
Etsy turned out to be kind
ETSY.
of nice. That wouldn't have been bad at all right there.
ETSY. EXTR. ETSY.
That's funny, Joe.
Order filled.
EXTR. ETSY.
Maybe not enough. Back under 50 so fast, bro.
ETSY. ETSY.
Yeah, I did intend to wait for it to get back over there. But stop is super
ETSY.
tight too. All right, Etsy day.
EXTR. ETSY.
I'm about to turn that off. Got to take out 62. Well, we ain't doing nothing. There we go. Ah. All right. One slight sigh of relief. Now we got to take out like 70 and close over VWAP. This is the Durkio special right here, Bobby. Now we fighting VWAP. See what happens here. Nice volume coming in, but no extension. Ole, dude. What up, Trey? Come on, baby. Just hold up and go up. All you gotta do. We on the right side of 50. Just gotta hold up and go up. It's looking sketchy now. Damn. Nice. That's what's up, Trey. Man, that little hammer right there. Nice two candle pullback on the one. New candle. Who this? Come on, man. Go on up there, dog. Oh, yeah. Lower day trade, man. What happened? I know you've been playing the uptrend a little more, though. Stop can get a little more ambiguous. Come on, buyers. Why? Yeah, that's what's up, man. Glad to see it. How many trades you take today? Come on, this is it. Just go to your home. Could have waited for this candle to enter for real. Go to your home. Gotta take out 67. Nice work. And look at you getting them R's, bro. 2.5 of them. Let's go. Gotta bring Drake out on that one. uh, Stream Deck be acting salty sometimes. There we go. That's for you, Trey. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Let's go. Let's go. I might have caught a body too, man. Scary entry, bro. This is the Dirkio over the green. Dirk actually been in the DMs helping me out, man, with my entries. And although this was too scary because it just is like way below VWAP and the EMA, but seeing this looked pretty good, and it looked good on the one. Looked like it was taking back the EMA and getting ready to start an uptrend. So I could still get a tight entry playing the low and then break of close from the top side of the green candle. And so that's what that was. Now, just see what kind of day it is. Got a nice little new high on the 30. Now it's just the concern, is this a lower high on the 15? Or is this
UMC.
uptrend confirmed? You know? That's what we're here to find out. Get the coins. We got to at least go up to 35 from here. We really ain't got to do nothing. That's the sad part. We ain't got to do nothing. But if we could hold this line right here and pew, that would be solid. That would be solid. Ooh, look at that. Can we chew through that? Yes, we can. Somebody bought that up. Bid stacked nicely. Mm-hmm. That's looking sketch. Oh, target is definitely higher day. Indubitably. There we go. That's what I needed to see. That's what I needed to see. Yeah, man, it's an earnings play. We got room.
MDLZ.
35. We'll probably be sitting on Mad R's at 35. What I got? 15-cent stop. Come on, break that high. Yeah, buddy.
MDLZ.
Don't be Billy. XTLB. Let's check you out real quick. Real quick though. XTLB 329. Hey, that's a cold-blooded entry. All right, rolling. Little student of rolling. Young Wolf. Young Wolf. I see you, T-boy. Whoa, whoa. See, man, if I just focus on the highest volume gainer, like I was telling Trey, the chances of me going 0 for 3 on the highest volume gainer with a good catalyst is very slim. I might miss an entry, but stop is too low. Yeah, that thing doing work now. I could at least go break even, I think, from here on. What's this low? 50. Go 49. Here comes 35, 2.32R. Don't give back 50 cents. Yeah, I feel you. I gotta let this thing cook though, man. My in and out game ain't solid yet. I gotta let my good entry ride. Come on, blast through 35, man. Let's go straight to the top. 35.54. In and out. In and out. In and out. That's what them hamburgers all about. We touched 35 on that candle. Ooh, touched it again. Can we get it on the bid side? Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Look at that. Boy. Boy. Let's see what I give back. It's looking like a clean move up right now. I appreciate you, Rob. You see this entry I took? That's all you, Rob. I mean, it's a little bit of me too, but I'm just saying. Took the let it pull back, test the low, and then bought the break of the close over the green candle. Nice tight entry on that thing. And here we are. Yeah, I gotta take 80 off at 35.47. We'll let the rest ride. 35.47. Yeah, we could talk about the first entry. I'm open to your input on that. It's kind of a falling knife, though. I definitely could have let the one retest that level before jumping in on it. Might have been a little FOMO influence right there. Imagine if I trusted my level, though, and just snagged that joker right here at 20. Boy, we'd be up like 4 or 5R right now. Maybe even 6. In time. Tape is getting quick. What's it gonna be? Got some buys over 35. There we go. There we go. What you mean, Joe? Hey. Yes. Aw. Hey guys, since we're all chilling and stuff, can y'all hit that like button for me? Por favor. Tap the like. Give me some reactions in the chat. Can we go up from here? Or do we have to pull back? That is the question. Pretty nice movement on the 15 there. Pretty solid. Yo, T-boy, how you looking over there? What was that? XLTB? XTLB? Okay, still holding up. Still holding up. 2.92 on the auras. But yeah, man, hit the like. Yo, focus. Just got to get to TP, man. Looking for that 5R. Am I being greedy? Oh, you talking about T-boy. Nah, not really. Not like small caps. I mean, I got my stop out the way for a pullback, but um I keep an eye on volume and look for like crazy spikes. to signify the top of a move, you know, climactic volume. As long as I don't see that, I'm pretty chill. I'm pretty chill holding through the fluctuations. I'm in the highest volume gainer. Although UMC is trying to catch up. I haven't looked at that chart yet. Oh boy. Is it time for the next leg? Getting some volume on that candle. Still just riding the EMA real nice on the one though. Real nice, like asking for a friend. It's probably gonna take a while to get to where I'm trying to get to. I'm probably gonna have to sit through some pullbacks. Yeah, it definitely can. But I'm trying to be patient for my target. I'm pretty confident I can get to 37, 35, 47. Anywhere in the 40s. I see some struggling. I'm gonna hit that button. .46 auras. She's climbing. We break 25 for sure. We're good to go. 37 is this high, this candle here. I mean, nothing's for sure. You know, it's just kind of fun talk. Fun talk. CNC look kind of cool over there. I'm not gonna let the lady in the red dress get me today, though. Ooh, we got some motion. We got some motion. Oh, snaps. Come on, baby. New high a day on the way. Let's go. Let's go. Now we getting some volume on that one. Looking a bit climactic there. Getting into pre-market high right there, which is 37. There's 38 on the bid, on the ask anyway. Come on, let's get through that. There we go. Let's get through that. Come on with it. 40 on the ask.
VRNS.
Is that the pullback? That's pretty climactic volume in the pre-market high there. And on the 5 too. It's pretty nice volume bar there. Need that 5R. Here we go. Come on, man. You can do it. Greed. I'm just trying to hold for my target, man. I think it's a reasonable target.
MDLZ.
Come on, baby. Come on, Billy. Billy, we need you. Report to TVA.
MDLZ.
Dang, 35. That was a big volume spike on the 1 though, and the 5. We holding though. Billy ain't here, bro. Hey man, there's mid cap Billies too. There's mid cap Billies too, man. Come on, eat that 40 up. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Got my 47. The rest for the dream, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate it, Knives. Level to level. Love it. Love
MDLZ.
it. Hey, cash in hand, T-boy. Yes, sirski. Stock Honcho, what's up? Green month locked. Click, clack. Click, clack. Come on, 36. I'm
leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
For sure. I'm on chapter 7 today, bro. Oh man, I know it's been so sad, Joe. I ain't been able to use it. I'm willing to give back 1.5 R. I mean, I'm willing to let this thing cook, man. I sold 80% up there. I'm willing to let it cook. I got my stop up, so I'm not gonna give back that much. My stop's 35.27. So I'm not willing to give all of it back. But I'll give back a little something.
MDLZ. VRNS.
Am I buying my stop? I get your point, but this is just my it's the compromise I make with myself to stay in the trade and not hold. I mean, if I really want to stay in the trade, the stop probably needs to be down here somewhere. Hmm. Do I really want to stay in the trade? Stop is a sell, not a buy. For hope. I mean, nah, but like, look at the five though. Volume wise, it's doing great. I could see the 15 needing to pull back though. Max volume. Like I've literally banked 4R on this trade. I made back my loss and I'm sitting on 3R. Got a new high a day. Did we get a new high day? New high a day. I think it's highly likely that it pulls back and keeps going. But I don't want to buy again. I just want to ride out into the sunset and let my little 20% see if it want to do some more work for me. If not, I'm gonna take something off of it.
MDLZ.
Hmm. I hear you, Rob. This actually is starting to look like a buyback.
MDLZ.
Still early in this 5-minute candle, but the low volume on these two red candles is pretty nice. Like it's what I would want to see in a pullback after a nice strong move. Just a light low volume. And really my average is so far down, it wouldn't be that big of a deal to throw some more shares on this thing. take the rest of the month off. We cool, Rob. What will Pond do? That would be legendary to throw some more shares on and ride up to 36. This is where the resolve is tested. Yeah, it's looking like a buy. At least I will have a better place to put my stop. But
VRNS.
this is a really nice setup. Really nice. If I had, I
MDLZ.
would use this level as my stop, which would probably bring my break even somewhere around 35. And then I could still raise my stop under this low to capture something. Yeah, this is a buy for sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm hearing you, Rob. I gotta trade to the level of my abilities right now. And I'm moving the notch up, slowly but surely. But 41, I think 43 would be like the line.
VRNS. MDLZ. VRNS.
Y'all are hilarious. It's definitely expecting it to do a better job holding those highs.
MDLZ.
This would be a cool like double bottom hold if it can, but if it doesn't, how far down is it going? And do I want to stay that long? Yo, Splinter. What's up, bro? We had a stalemate. Straight stalemate.
MDLZ.
Man, I appreciate it, Bobby. I feel pretty good about my executions. Got a dream. Yep. All right, we're gonna break 18. That's our double bottom number. Yep. Smacked into the EMA. Nice little 2 candle pullback on the 5. Throw the dream out the window.
MDLZ.
I got the stop right there. It won't get too bad. Under the 15-minute low. I'm buying 30. Right.
MDLZ.
Order filled.
Well, technically, I could have been up like 4R.
CSTM. MDLZ. CSTM.
Hmm. Yeah, I see that, OG.
MDLZ.
No, I'm just saying I see his point. I still like the entry. Yeah. There goes
Order filled.
All right. Ah. All right. Well, made back my L from today and yesterday. And here we are, back where we were the day before yesterday. Pretty much top tick that puppy. Should have just sold the hundo, huh? Take the boost in the RR. Yeah. My own voices too. Yeah, 35-27 would have been the stop to hold. Man, appreciate it, OG. Holding steady on a nice 10R on the month. Let's shut this down before I end up wanting to take another one. Don't look that bad though. The 15, you gotta play the 15 this late in the day. But yeah, let's LIG that. Man, that's crazy fire, Trey. Huh. I think I did pretty well today. My first entry. What can I critique about my first entry? Why does it always put it down there? um, wasn't really at a support level. That's one thing. Yeah, tell me, Rob, what you think about the first entry? B minus. Yeah, I think the second, this execution would have needed to be down here somewhere. Yeah, first entry off. I mean, it was green when I bought it. Yeah, it was green when I bought it. It just went back down. It looked good for a second. It rejected 35. Fumbling the 5R. It was up there like what 487 or something at the highest. Did it touch 5R? Maybe when it went up to 60s. I thought that was the move. Let it test the low and take the move back to the close. Yeah, that's an idea. That's an idea. I bought below VWAP though, so I really didn't have confidence until the trade got up here, and then after that time, only when it works. At that point, I mean, I'm already up so much, I'm not really wanting to mess with it. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool getting almost 5R without even adding to the trade. Just a nice entry, you know. What up, Focus? I did not snag the 5R, bro. Yeah, we missed it. We missed it. I should have just taken it all out at the top, man. We got 4.3R, but I had the minus 1R, so we ended up with 3.3R. So got the 4R plus on the win. But it's gonna look good for my RR. But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, if it wasn't for VWAP and the EMA, I would have bought it right off of my level at 34.20. But once I saw the strength, I was like, forget it, I'm buying it. I'm telling you, Trey. I've been wanting to get rid of the indicators for a minute, but I just don't want to change anything. But new this trade, bro. I love a butt naked chart, man. Just levels, bro. Just levels. The main thing is just trading the best stock in play. That's the main thing.
CSTM.
I like seeing the EMA, the 9 EMA, just to get like a perspective on how big the move is, like how aggressive it's moving. Like when it was just walking up the 9 EMA on the one, that made me feel really comfortable, with just chilling in the trade. But if it's like extending far away from it, then I know like, you know, be mindful of the pullback because it's already extended.
VRNS.
Yeah, HH was on my head a lot for a long time about that, Bobby. Today was a can't lose day. You say that about every day. Focus. The scanner's popping though. The scanner's popping. UMC actually came and overtook Tiva on the dang. UMC made a nice move. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I don't know, man. I kind of want to scrub the 20% and just take the whole thing. Or at least maybe if I sell a partial, it's just to ride the momentum of that moment and maybe keep selling as it's popping past my target.
CSTM.
But I'm kind of feeling the no give backs, Rob. At least once I get to target, like I'm okay with letting it bounce around on the way to target, but once I get to where I want to sell, I don't like giving back. I don't like the feeling of missing out. That because I feel like I missed out on uh B, maybe a B minus. All right, I'll accept that. I'll go with the B. OG says B. OG said B minus. Maybe I do deserve a B minus. I'll give it a B minus. um, but yeah, you're right, Rob. It's making sense. I'm just such a hopeful, optimistic trader. I'm always hoping for that greater move. I mean, CNC went crazy yesterday. And it's like but how often does that happen? Like if I caught this move. Yeah, but when they go crazy like that, honestly, using the 5 minute is pretty much all you need to stay in that bad boy. And you don't really need to give back much to stay in it. Dreamer, yeah, bro. Like, golly. Could have been me, man. Could have been me. Yeah, it is, man. 3R, 4R. Like 2R is a thing of the past. 2R is weak sauce, bro. 2R is weak sauce, bro. No offense to no offense to the people snagging that 2R, especially not to you, Trey. It's market dependent chapters. I think it's entry dependent, Trey. Don't get cocky. Oh man, I know I'm tripping. uh, 2R can change your life. Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. I'm gonna have a hard time when they stop going to high a day though. I need a
MDLZ.
I need hmm, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that makes it easier, Trey. Appreciate that. Yeah. Yeah, that would be crazy, Rob. I mean, I actually wanted to take Tiva right here over 34 off the 5 minute. Imagine taking that and then taking that too. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm really close to taking that opening play. Maybe half an hour. I don't know.
MDLZ.
That's my nine. Nine. The yellow, the orange is the VWAP, and the blue is the 9. I used to rock the 20 and the 9 together. Right, knives. Yeah. Nah, I'm chilling for sure. I'm chilling.
CSTM.
Oh. VWAP in the 9. What I learned, improved upon today.
MDLZ.
All right, Rob. Appreciate you, bro. I'll check it out, Nice. I will check it out. You've curated some nice culture, Knives. Hats off to you, sir. What was that? 3.3 on them? Or I guess it's 2 trades. But my total was 3.3. All right, get out the way. Market cap on Tiva was pretty high, 36 billion. Haven't traded one that big in a while. Earnings. Yeah. I just try to be quiet in there and let y'all talk. You know, it's not too much for me to bring to the table at this point. I just be looking, reading, react to stuff here and there. Stay in my place. One thing that I think is super cool is my risk is getting tight. Like my entries are like razor tight. I'm taking the scary entry. Like my red and green candles are starting to be right on top of each other. Like when I stop out, it's like right there. It's not like I got this huge risk level and I'm risking like a large portion of the range. You know, like this was super tight entry. This was also a super tight entry. This was only 15 cent risk. And we got it all the way up to What I was 34.52 was my average, and I sold at 35.47. A dollar move off of 15 cent. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, for sure, knives. Huge difference. Huge difference. I imagine it's like the chicks in the regular part of the club and the chicks in VIP. Or I guess the dudes too, huh? The brokies out in the regular club, and then you got the guys at the table getting bottle service. I don't know why I'm using the club as a metaphor. I've literally never been to a club, but seen a lot of movies. Um, I have to give myself the nice discipline. Yeah, I don't know, man. I might just gonna have to. My target is pretty good to where it's gotta pull back if it gets to my target generally, and then every now and then it keeps going. Like rarely though. I don't know, man. The CNC doesn't happen often enough. I don't think to uh necessarily maybe 90% at profit target. I don't know. When everyone starts making six figures, yeah. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying my hardest to catch up and soak up what y'all putting out. I see change though. I see change, and it's starting to reflect in my P&L. But just like the thoughts that I think have evolved, and just like a more clear path of what's right and what's wrong. Um, I hate that it doesn't let me highlight this. Oh yeah, P&L is definitely a lagging indicator for sure. Obviously. Obviously. Yeah. It really happened just like they say it happened. Kind of I start losing less. My red months were getting smaller and smaller. And then just kind of fumbling around. Oh, I'm green, and then up, I'm back red, and then green and back red, and now it's like, you know, it's the day before the end of the month, and I'm up 10R. Interesting. Yeah, that's the only thing that matters for sure. I get it, bro. It's all about how you think about things. It's the same with life too, man. Same with life. I know somebody who's like miserable, and it's literally just based on the way they interpret, the way they choose to think about everything. You know, it just if you just change your mindset, they could be living the same experience and be having a good time. You know. But yeah, same with this market. Proper mindset, you can have the same market that you're doing bad in and do great. Just make the right decisions and think about interpret the data properly. This is a crazy game, y'all. Like the mental journey of this thing. Like literally it's been a year since my last green month. May 2025, bro. Um, I mean, I don't want to say like it's firmly high of day, but that's where my level was. You know, like literally the level on the chart that I marked out on the daily was right there. So, and we broke it on the first move up after the open. So I felt like we should be able to break it again. But yeah, I guess generally I feel like I should be able to get back to the initial move up. I definitely think if I get in way down here, like this is a very big target. But you know, if I got in here, structure dependent. Like if this turned around from here, I would expect it to go past high a day. I would expect it to go to 36. There's a way to measure the move and to like get expectation from it. It's just but yeah, I guess high a day is a general target. Take tomorrow off. Knives. Do you know how much I look forward to coming in here and sitting down in the morning, Knives? Ben is AI. Robot. Ben is not real. The green month is locked, bro. The most I can do tomorrow is go from 10R to 7R. Green R is locked by a long shot. I mean, my platform won't even let me mess up my month. I would have to I would have to send an email to increase my max loss and just like have the worst trading day I've had in a long time to mess up tomorrow. Like I got nice systems in place. Yeah, but tilt right now is 3R. That's tilt. Halt down on a mid cap. Show me one example. Show me one example. My scanner is 2 billion to 100 billion. Yeah, broker locks me out. 3R. They don't even let me get to 3R. Like at 2.8R, it kicks me out, bro. I'll be like, hold on, man. I still got some room left, bro. uh, I'll be like 2.8R mad. Yeah, you could definitely call the broker for sure. And they will happily give you some more room to pay more commissions. They will gladly. They're not gonna be like, "Are you sure? Are you sure you want to do that?" I think that a better challenge, a more reasonable challenge, would be to have max loss at 2R tomorrow. To not go max loss. It does, bro. Like I'm literally I'm building habits each day. Every day matters, man. I appreciate it now. I mean, I see what you're trying to do here. But bro, like when I wake up in the morning and I really don't want to get out the bed, I'm just like, I gotta get to the office, man. Gotta get there early enough for my trading routine.
MDLZ.
Gotta get there an hour before. Yeah, for sure. After tomorrow, I'll have 2 weeks of data. 2 weeks? What did I change 2 weeks ago? Huh. Yeah, actually, I do remember going through the beginning of my month looking at stuff like that I wouldn't have traded today. Tiva about to go again, boy. I see it. I gotta close this scanner out, bro. Gotta close that scanner out. Thanks to Pond. Got me out of the small cappers. Yeah, Pond was super. When we were doing the morning, the pre market prep, those few days we were having conversations back and forth, and I would suggest something. He would ask, "What's the catalyst? Does it have a catalyst?" And it was just like, "Nope, it don't have a catalyst." And he'd be like, "We focusing on catalyst stocks." And that was like really like big, like, man, you're right, like I gotta, it's important. He's good at that, and that helped me out tremendously, just weeding out that, the catalyst, like the stock in play. And then just like over these last couple weeks, noticing myself, noticing the difference between the highest volume gapper and the other ones. Like the best move by far is usually made by the thing trading the most volume. Like almost always, the thing that's trading the most volume made the best move and the cleanest move. And then you get all these choppy ones down below, you know? And so the top three, like I get it's only room for the top three gappers, the top three highest volume gappers on my watch screen. Like anything else, I just don't even want to look at it. All right, OG, appreciate you, bro. So yeah, those are the main things. Like I just don't think I'm gonna go 0 for 3. I mean, if I do, at least I went 0 for 3 on the highest volume stock. But I just don't think I'm gonna go 0 for 3 on the highest volume stock. I think that's rare. So I just gotta focus on that. UMC actually took the reins from Tiva and made a really clean move. I should have swapped them out, but that was cool. We got what we needed. Got what we needed from the day. Uh Where is it? There we go. It's more fun than a roller coaster to trade. 429. I forgot to upload my DRC from yesterday. I did it and didn't even upload it. I'm gonna upload it for GP general purposes. Trey, you got yours up already too? Nice. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Of course. Man, Trey got me on the DRCs. That was super helpful, man. I was knocking out goals day after day using these DRCs. It really helped me focus in on what I was messing up on. I disabled everyone, and now they're spamming the verify. Now they're spamming the verify. Get out of here. Get out of here. Where's my hammer? Ban him. All right, man. We came. We saw. We failed the first time, but got back up and took that nice trade off the level and got back to high a day. Gave back a little bit, but I'm working on it, Rob. But plus 4R on the win and minus 0.9 on the loss. So really good for the RR. 50% win rate today. Really good for the win rate. Pretty nice. One more day of the month tomorrow. Lock in that green month. Hopefully we can lock it in with some profits. And ride into the sunset to end April. It's been a pretty interesting month. Let's take a little glance at the journal one time before we close out here. One time for the one time. Yeah, I can. After the no trade day Monday, bro, I lost it. I was too impatient. But yeah, got the nice green day today, and see what tomorrow brings. But this should be back up to 50, 10R on the month after today, and 3.13 R to 1. This should probably go up quite a bit, maybe 3.2, 3.3. Hopefully this will go back over 30 maybe. I can't. When this gets to 40, we really cooking. My goal is 60. But when the win rate gets up to 40, I know like we've really started cooking. But yeah, man, look at this thing. It's going up. It's going up. But anyway, appreciate you guys being here for the journey. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, that would be wild, Trey. Discord links in the description. It's coming, bro. God willing. All right, y'all. Peace.